Hi, John here. In this video I would like to talk about how to negotiate price for products with your Chinese supplier and what kind of tricks they are using on you when you are trying to push that price down. First, I would like to thank you for sending me so much feedback in my Facebook mastermind group at Federation, which is free mastermind group, so definitely join it. And it really motivates me to push forward, create more videos. And also, if you like my content and you would like to see more of my content and you are still not subscribed, definitely subscribe to my channel. And if you have some idea about future video, definitely comment below. I think everybody basically who is doing e-commerce in any form, doesn't matter if you are a dropshipper or if you have white label, you always need to negotiate prices, because basically, well, it's like in any other aspect of your life. You always will come to seller and they will try to make as much money as possible on, well, with doing business with you. And Chinese sellers are not different, okay? But well, important is to find great seller that you can actually build business with, and then push them a little bit down, and so let's just go through a couple situations that I already been through and how I kind of play it, with those Chinese suppliers and push that price down, and went through all their bullshits that they were throwing at me. First, you need to kill them with arguments, and if you will let yourself put down too easy, you are making a mistake, because they will play you from that time, in everything, so you need to fight them hard, and you really need to find logical arguments that you will throw on them constantly. You need to have some plan. What's your perfect price for that product? Because if you will push them too low and you will be too aggressive, then they will try to get that profit based on quality, or based on shipping speed. So they will probably pick some other shipping method that will a little bit have lower quality, longer shipping times, or they will just take that profit based on, they will just buy worst material, and try to produce product lower quality that will basically hurt your business, not immediately, but in a couple of weeks you will see that, for example, your customer feedback score is bad. You will see it based on quality score or delivery score. But anyway, if you will push them too hard, too down, they will try to play some other way to survive and keep some profit from you. Okay, so you need to be a little bit smart with it. How you can get better price? Well, so it's actually easy, right? So if you have some supplier, you are already using him, and you would like to get better price, then just go to AliExpress, okay? Because that's most people are there. Find supplier with same product and who already have some history, tons of sales, and well, then just pitch it to him, hey, I see here a competitor, he sell exactly same product like you, but he has price $3 down, so I don't see a reason why I should pay this price, and especially when I'm sending you this volume of sales every day, then I want some special price. Well, they will probably tell you oh, but we have better quality and things like that. But then you will tell them, for example, if it's electronic thing or something like that, you will just tell them, okay, just take me photo of how that product looks inside, I want to see internals of that electric thing, and based on that, when they will send you that photo, you will just go to AliExpress, find those best selling sellers, who has the exactly same product and have lot of reviews and tons of photo reviews. Then you will check those photo reviews, because in some of them will be some photo of internals of the product, probably. Usually it is. That's how I did it, with my products. Then you send it back, say hey, this guy has exactly same internals like you, so product quality is exactly same, you are selling two same things, they will not be able to tell you anything, about it. And then you will tell them so you want even cheaper price, okay? Because you will tell them that this guy is selling it publicly for this price, which is a lot cheaper than yours. And if I would message that person, that competitor, with my volume and start negotiating with them, I would probably push that person $2 down, okay? So you will basically do this and try to argument rationally, logically. You will always try to behave professionally. You never insult these people, and never try to be rude, you know, always try to be like them basically, like, or you can use some emotions, you know, but always try to be professional, that you basically know exactly what you want, you have like some sales plan, you know. You should also like explain them how you price your products, you know, and what's your strategy. You need to tell them, okay, I'm selling on Facebook is super expensive, you know, so I always want to buy for 7 and sell for 35. So you need to multiply basically that cost by 5 to keep it all like profitable, because Facebook will take like $20 from it, and when you will increase it, then Facebook will be even more expensive, and basically for you to buy all these like units from them and keep it profitable and keep it stable, so you will protect also their investment, so they will never end, you know, with like warehouse full of your stock that you can't sell. You need to have this price, you know, and you need to like rationally also explain them basically how you price products. And if it's like above this price, you cannot sell it, you know, and you need to give them like, okay, I can't go through above this, you know, this is like my max price and I cannot pay like over that, you know. So you need to have like some kind of like stability, you know, so you need to tell them exactly what you want. Also, if you are giving them that example with competitor, then definitely always try to like start with some Chinese shipping price, like with e-packet, because that's like the easiest thing, you know, how you can like measure these prices with competitors. Because then if you will just talk about product price itself without shipping, they will try to play you on that shipping part, okay? So always try to first talk about e-packet price, because you will have that other seller with e-packet, you know, in it. And then when you will have that price with e-packet from your supplier, which is fine, then you will start discussing with them that you want to stock it in US warehouse or like Canada warehouse or whatever, like Australia, New Zealand, UK or Ireland. And based on that, you will know that usually when there is like a US warehouse, then they need to send it through like 2 ways, right? And first way is through sea, which is like a lot cheaper. That means that's usually like $1, you know, extra to that price which would be like with e-packet option. And well, that's like a little bit more difficult, because you need to plan ahead your stock that ship will get from China to USA in like from 4 to 6 weeks. So you need to like plan a little bit, but it's cheaper, okay? So if you have product that is like tested, you should always like do it like in advance, right? So then you will keep your prices like low. But if you want to like ship it fast, like for example, when I find like new product, I don't want to like wait for a month. I need to like push it now. So I send everything through cargo plane. And basically, if they are sending it through the cargo plane, that it will take to get there like from like 4 to 7 days, you know. Then you need a couple days like to like produce that product. But anyway, that's like very fast. So, but price is lot more expensive, and usually I see that price is like 2 times or 3 times what is that ship, right? So if you were buying it with like for $5 that product with e-packet, then it's like $6 with ship, and then it could be like $7.50, you know, or 8 if you are selling it through that cargo plane. But it's like super fast, at least. I'm talking about this because if you will tell them that, you know, they will try to play you on that shipping, you know, and try to get like some increase of cost on those shippings, you know. They will try to throw at you like that this product is like too heavy and blah 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 blah. Everything is like going up. It's not true. It's like they have like so many those channels, you know, those Chinese, they have different contracts with these like companies, you know. For example, if they are like booking cargo airplane, basically they sometimes they are like taking like last spots, you know. So if somebody is trying to like cancel their plane, they usually like take that spot, you know, so it's like even cheaper, you know. So for example, when we are shipping with that airplane, you know, usually my supplier is waiting when somebody will cancel, and then they will immediately like take their spot and ship it for them. So it's like cheaper, okay? So that's why I'm also like keeping my price down. But like I said, if you will try to push them too down, you know, like, and their profit will be like too low, they will not take you seriously. They might try to play you, and well, you might end up in situation where you have somewhere like on the ship or something, or in some warehouse that is not moving like 1,000 orders, and your customers will be waiting 1 month, for it. So you need to be like very careful. Try to always work with only professional suppliers. Otherwise, you will have a problem, because, well, they will play you and your customer feedback score will eat you, your charge rate will eat you. So always try to do it like professionally and understand that if that person doesn't look like fine, it's like a little bit weird, then well, you should not work with them and just try to test other people. So when you are also like trying to find that price, like buy it from multiple sellers, like small amounts, because you don't know who is actually like shipping fast, and then try to like offer each, some prices, and try to always get them on Skype. If you cannot get your seller on Skype, don't talk with them because they are not professional. All of these people who are like high level sellers and have like customers who are spending tons of money with them, and who are like professional agents, they have Skype, okay? If they are telling you that they want to talk through like some chat on AliExpress or something, just ignore them. These people are like not the best people for business. Always just try to first take them on Skype, make couple orders so they understand you have money, you are serious. If they don't want to, just don't speak with them and find different supplier. So thank you for watching. If you still didn't join at Federation, my free Facebook mastermind group, definitely do it now. It's actually growing and people are like very active in that group. And so if you want to get answered some like more advanced questions about like e-commerce or Facebook or even like these, suppliers, then definitely join Operation today. And also, if you recently got flagged or your like profile got restricted advertising access and well, you need to like restart everything, or even like your business was like completely banned, then definitely download my free ebook, The Ultimate Facebook Survival Guide. It will take you out of the darkness, and help you to completely restart your promotion so you can like keep going. And well, yeah, so definitely download that, and I will see you in tomorrow's video. Bye.